CML Innovazioni SRL was founded in 2007 as a mechanical design technical office, making use of its technical managers' 20 years of experience in the general engineering sector. Its initial mission was to address some local customers, getting itself known for its seriousness, confidentiality and design skills, continuously equipping itself with qualified personnel furnished with the necessary software tools. Over the following years, the technical studio grew constantly, fully achieving its initial objectives. In 2016, CML Innovazioni SRL became part of a group of companies operating for decades in the engineering sector. This was in order to provide the customer with the finished product, from design to structural metalworking, machine tool manufacture, painting and required heat treatment, complete with EC technical documentation and manuals in compliance with current legislation. In 2018, CML Innovazioni SRL moves to a new facility within a recently constructed industrial area located in the municipality of Podenzano, Piacenza, well served and connected to the main means of communication. The factory has a covered area of approximately 1,500 square meters, equipped with modern operational structures. Thanks also to the collaboration of expert fitters and highly specialized personnel, CML Innovazioni SRL also offers its services as an assembler and manufacturer, able to provide, in addition to technical documentation, also prototypes or finished products. Currently, CML Innovazioni SRL carries out research, development and design activities for various industrial companies operating in the most varied mechanical sectors. In the planning and design phases, its highly specialized staff with many years of experience in the field make use of the most modern CAD systems and FEM analysis programs in the verification and control phases. Its sectors of expertise have multiplied beyond general mechanical engineering. Study of high-tech machining centers for swarf removal with traditional and hydrostatic transmission and support devices. Systems for the processing of wooden and plastic profiles in the various sectors they belong to, composed of single or multi-station machines, complete with devices for the handling and management of raw and finished pieces. Packaging in the logistics and food sectors. Industrial automation operating in drilling plants, heavy rail transport, container handling, oil and gas and piping sector with the design of actuators, distribution valves and sector plant engineering. Since 2019, CML Innovazioni SRL has been able to provide a complete design and production service, thanks to the union of different skills present in the company. These incorporate the sectors of woodworking machines, machine tools, aluminium processing machines, the petrochemical industry, container handling and automation.